Get ready, because today we're breaking down the best dash cams of 2026, and the results might completely change how you protect yourself on the road. If you've been searching for the right dash cam for your car, whether your front-end rear setup, a budget-friendly option, or a 4K dual dash camera, this guide will grab your attention. I'll walk you through what truly matters, real performance, reliability, and the features that separate the top-rated models from the rest. By the end, you'll know exactly which car camera fits your needs and why. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. The Rove R2-4K dual dash cam stands out as a top contender among the best dash cams of 2026, especially for drivers who want premium clarity without overcomplicating installation. Featuring a cutting-edge STARVIS 2 sensor and true 4K 2160p front recording paired with a solid FHD rear camera, the R2-4K delivers crisp detail day and night, ideal for capturing license plates, road signs, and critical moments with accuracy. One of its strongest perks is the inclusion of a free 128GB card, saving you the extra purchase most dash cams require. Its 5G Wi-Fi capability offers one of the fastest download speeds in the dash cam market, up to 20 megabytes per second, making footage transfer quick and seamless through the Rove app. The 3-inch IPS display offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, and the 24-hour parking mode provides solid car protection when parked. For drivers seeking a front and rear dash cam that blends smooth performance, great storage support, and reliable video quality, this model has exceptional value. Whether you're upgrading to a 4K dash camera or choosing your first car dash cam, the Rove R2-4K is a reliable choice with features usually found in higher-priced units. The VIOFO A229 Plus continues VIOFO's reputation for delivering some of the best dash cams of 2026, especially for users who want balanced performance and long-term durability. With dual STARVIS 2 sensors and 1440p plus 1440p HDR recording across both channels, this dash cam excels at capturing detailed footage in every lighting situation, from bright highways to dimly lit streets. The A229 Plus includes responsive voice control, making hands-free operations simple and safe while driving. Its 5 GHz Wi-Fi is fast enough to transfer large video files without delays, and support for up to 512 GB provides generous storage for long drives or professional use. The camera also includes ultra-precise GPS to log routes, speed, and location data, an essential feature for rideshare drivers or daily commuters who need reliable evidence. As a front and rear dash cam, the A229 Plus offers an excellent blend of image quality, modern connectivity, and ease of use. Smooth HDR handling, durable build quality, and VIOFO's well-designed app make this model ideal for anyone looking for the best-rated dash cam in the mid-premium range. Ideal for drivers who want maximum coverage, the Viofo A329S 3-channel system is one of the most advanced picks in the best dash cams of 2026 lineup. Its triple camera setup includes a stunning 4K front camera, a 2K interior fisheye cabin camera with an ultra-wide 210 degrees field of view, and a 2K rear camera, perfect for rideshare drivers, families, fleet vehicles, or anyone who wants complete inside and outside visibility. All three cameras use STARVIS 2 sensors, ensuring excellent low-light performance and detailed night recordings. Power-saving parking mode minimizes energy draw while still protecting your car from incidents when parked. The A329S also supports Wi-Fi 6, offering faster and smoother app control than previous generations. One of its most impressive features is support for up to 4 TB SSD storage, giving unmatched recording capacity, ideal for long trips or professional drivers who need continuous documentation. As a 4K front and multi-channel dash cam, the A329S provides a rare combination of clarity, coverage, and premium storage flexibility, making it an elite choice for anyone who demands the highest level of protection. The Redtiger 4K STARVIS 2 F7N Touch is quickly gaining recognition as one of the best dash cams of 2026, offering impressive features at a competitive price point. With true 4K front and 1080p rear recording supported by STARVIS 2 sensors, this dash cam captures sharp, dynamic footage even in challenging lighting. Its 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures speedy downloads, up to 20 megabytes per second, making file transfers quick through the redesigned Redtiger app. A standout feature is the 3.18-inch touchscreen, which provides an intuitive, smartphone-like interface for playback and settings. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, and GPS tracking logs your routes and speed accurately. The inclusion of a 128 GB card makes this package even more appealing for first-time dashcam buyers. Its parking mode offers reassuring 24/7 protection, automatically recording motion or impacts. If you're looking for a best budget dashcam with high-end recording quality, user-friendly controls, and reliable connectivity, the F7N Touch delivers tremendous value. For drivers who want complete surround coverage, the 360-view 4-channel dashcam stands out in the best dashcams of 2026 for its 4-camera system that covers the front, rear, left, right, and even the vehicle interior. Designed for maximum situational awareness, this camera setup is ideal for professional drivers, truckers, families, and rideshare operators who need every angle monitored. With night vision, WDR technology, and a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, each channel captures clear footage in daylight or darkness. The combination of GPS tracking and 5G band Wi-Fi provides fast downloads and accurate driving logs. The system features a supercapacitor for improved heat resistance and long-term reliability, especially beneficial for drivers in warmer climates. The included 128 GB card offers solid starting storage, and the 24-hour parking mode provides round-the-clock surveillance. As a true multi-camera solution, this model delivers exceptional value for anyone seeking the ultimate panoramic card dashcam system for safety, monitoring, or professional use. All of the product links are in the description, and hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel.